Jaltest has been a game changer when it comes to a fantastic solution for us. It continues to update and meet our needs as the industry constantly updates. We have to meet their needs, boost functionality, simplify our operations, and reduce our need for multiple laptops and the hassle of not having and renewing software license and various providers. You know, it's constantly something just to renew a license with other software.
In 2013, K&L conducted the initial testing and evaluation of Jaltest. The product was very easy to use, and at that time was the first bi-directional, multi-platform, and multi-module program that we had used.
I heard about Jaltest when I took this job. I got put into the mobile side of it, and I needed something that was really going to be flexible so that it could allow me to do more things with less stuff. And so they just handed me the Jaltest laptop, and I fooled around with it for an hour, 2 hours, and it's been my good and faithful companion ever since.
Used to be I pick up OEM software, but now I go directly to Jaltest, and it does everything that most OEM software can do. That's my #1 go-to.
Jaltest has brought standardization to many aspects of our K&L operations, particularly in attracting new customers. While Kirk has always prided ourselves in providing custom solutions tailored to each of our clients' unique maintenance and repair needs, Jaltest offers us a consistent level of confidence With Jaltest, we can confidently meet our goals and deliver exceptional service regardless of the type of equipment now or in the future the customer may have.